So you clicked the Convert to PPT tool. Let's get started. First, upload your PDF file. You can drag and drop the file or click to upload. Next, choose which pages you want to extract. You can select a starting page and ending page, depending on what you need. This saves time when you don't need the entire document. Now click the Extract Text button. The AI will start extracting content from the selected pages. Once the content is extracted, you can turn it into a presentation. Click the PPT Content button to generate presentation content. Instead of simply placing extracted text into slides, the AI summarizes the content and prepares presentation-ready material. It organizes the information into clear slide sections. Next, choose your presentation design. There are currently 7 beautiful PPT designs available, and more designs are coming soon. Now download your presentation and start presenting. This slide includes image placeholders. You can replace them with your own images. This helps you customize the presentation easily. Now choose your favorite from 7 beautiful PPT designs, and more designs are coming soon. And that's how you convert PDF content into a beautiful AI-generated presentation. Want to try another tool? Click the next video on the screen to explore more PDF tools.